max consecutive ones. We are given a binary array nums and an integer k. Binary array means it contains only 0 and 1. We have to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array if we can flip at most k zeros. So we will flip k number of zeros, and we have to return after flipping the zeros how many consecutive ones, maximum number of consecutive ones we have. In this example here we are given an array nums and we are also given an integer k equal to 2, meaning we can flip two zeros. How we can solve this problem is by using the sliding window approach. We'll start from the left and we will keep increasing the window until we find the 0. Once we find the 0, we will increment the number of zeros we have in the current window, and once the number of zeros in the current window is greater than k, we will move the left side until we will shrink the window from the left side. I will show you. We'll keep incrementing the window, increasing the window size. Till this point we have two zeros and three ones. Two zeros, this one, and we have three ones. We still don't have to shrink the window. Why? Because we are allowed to flip two zeros. But when we reach at this point, we have three zeros now. It's greater than k. So what we will do is we will keep shrinking from the left side. We'll move it to here, check if it's 0. It's not 0. Move it here, move the left pointer here, and then we will move the left pointer here. Yes, it's 0. We will decrement the number of zeros we have and we will increment this, and now our current window will be this. We will shrink it from the left side basically, and then again we will keep increasing the length of the current window until we find a 0, and we will, if we find a 0, we will increment the number of zeros we have in current window, and if the number of zeros in current window is greater than k, we will shrink the current window from the left side, and in while doing the loop we will keep updating the maximum number of consecutive ones we found till now. I will show you in the code how we can solve this. Solve it using Python. First of all, we will initialize a variable left, which will be the left index of the sliding window, and we will also initialize a variable maximum length, max length, which will store the maximum number of consecutive ones we have found till now, and another variable zeros count, which will represent the number of zeros we have in the current sliding window. We are solving it using sliding window approach, by the way. For right in range len nums, this is to iterate through the nums array. If nums right is equal to 0, then what we will do is we will increment the zeros count by 1, and after doing this, if zeros count is greater than k, meaning we have more zeros than we are able to replace them, then what we will do is we will start shrinking the current window from the left side. How can we do that? If nums left is equal to 0, then what we will do is we will move left rightwards and decrement zeros count by 1, and obviously increment left. Now after every loop we will update the maximum length that we have, which we can do by max length comma right, the current index we are at right now, minus the left index of the window plus 1, and now we can just return max length, and this should solve our problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one, and please subscribe to my channel.